the other
Same
hand,
analysis apply if the law is not this law. I think Colorado has something like the law I'm going to describe, but I'm not trying to describe Colorado's law. Just take it as my hypothetical. If instead of this law, which really focuses on the kinds of treatment it is and the kinds of goals everybody has, it just says you're subject to penalties if you do any medical treatment, and that includes talk therapy, that deviates from the standard of care. And then it goes on to say something about how we find the standard of care. And suppose that sort of law was applied to your client. Is it the same analysis or a different one?
I think it's a similar analysis. So if a law like that were applied against my client and all she did was speak, then I believe that the strict scrutiny analysis would apply and the government would have to satisfy it. But the underlying analysis would change somewhat too, because my client under those circumstances would be able to establish that the kind of counseling she provides is consistent with the standard of care, versus under the current law, she's not able to make that showing.
Right, so she is able to make that showing under my hypothetical law, but you're saying still not, that she would have a kind of separate argument that there needed to be strict scrutiny applied.
She would. She would be able to argue that, and that would require the other side to show that what she's doing is causing harm, because that ties into what this court's recognized in cases like Brown under strict scrutiny.